Hi guys. So I've got a couple of minutes. I'm gonna do a little, I don't mind the hair everywhere. Here's a row already. Here's a row already. So I've got some hand-tied wefts here on my tray. I'm just gonna put this box here. So you guys, I've been talking about lots of things on my channel lately. Natural beaded rose extensions is like my jam. And then also, like I love trying to make myself feel better. If you don't know me or you haven't heard me talk about this before, I have an autoimmune disease called sarcoidosis, and I've been in treatment for over 7 years, and it's still not gone. So I take a lot of medicine, and my hair is a victim of the either side effects or the disease itself. It's just gotten really fine over the years, and it does not boost my confidence. Let's just put it that way. So that's one of the things I love so much about natural beaded rose extensions. I'm clearly not wearing any right now. I'm getting those back in 2 weeks. But it just makes me feel so much more confident, and when I feel good, I feel amazing. You know what I'm saying? So that's one little way that I boost my feelings every single day. And then also I started taking some supplements from Young Living essential oils, and I've been using these oils in my diffuser and like on my skin and everything for over 3 years, and I've just finally decided to start taking some of their supplements. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a pharmacist, I don't recommend anything to anyone unless you want to know what I'm talking about. This is just what I'm doing, so don't be telling anything. Don't be yelling at me. So anyway, I'm unboxing this box because I just ordered some stuff. I ordered a diffuser for the salon. I've been talking about this forever. And then also they have makeup. So skincare, makeup, all that kind of stuff. So I'm like, wait a minute. I use that stuff every day. I wonder if they have something I can use for that. So anyway, I wanted to talk about what I drink every day. I do this in the morning and at night. They have a supplement called Ninja Red, which is like wolfberry, which is this like high potency. It's a berry that is in like China, and I just read all about like the floodplains, and it gets all these supercharged minerals and stuff like that. Anyway, blah blah blah. It's a supplement. It has all sorts of things in it to help with energy and just support your immune system and digestion and all of that. So I have 1 ounce of that in the morning. The other supplement I use in the morning is called Sulfurzyme, and it has stuff in it, MSM for joints and inflammation, which I seriously need help with, and then other things that help promote healthy digestion, which if you've known me my whole life, I've had bad stomach issues. So I've been trying to help figure it all out, and your digestion and your immune system are all combined. So that's why I decided to go with that. So I mix half a teaspoon of that in with my 1 ounce of Ninja Red, fill the rest of my water bottle up with water, and then shake it up and then leave it in the fridge for about an hour. I got this trick from my friend April, who is like an oily goddess. Like, she just knows all of this stuff. And so now I drink this, and it really, I can't even tell you, I've only had 1 upset stomach in 3 weeks, which that is not normal for me, and I'm feeling really energetic. And I just took my shot of methotrexate, and last night I had to do my Humira dose. So if you don't know, I do weekly injections of methotrexate, which technically I guess is a chemo drug. It's just to help protect my immune system so that it's not in overdrive all the time. And then same with Humira, it blocks other portions of the immune system so that I'm not in constant flares, to protect my organ systems, because it can affect every system in my body. So that's what I drink in the morning and night for immunity and digestion. If it's working, great. If it's not working, I don't know. It might just be all in my head, but I've literally not felt this good in a really long time. And then I take another supplement in the morning called Inner Defense, and my friend Michelle actually, good morning, hi! My friend Michelle actually just, she had gotten me a bottle a couple months ago, and she was like, you should start taking this. I'm like, I'm not gonna take that, I don't need that. So anyway, I do take it, and it's got this blend of all of their special oils, and I'm doing it. Like, I'm just doing it because I'm tired of taking all the medicine, and I'd like my hair to come back to normal, so that I can just have extensions because I want them and not because I need them. So anyway, thanks for joining me. If you want to see these essential oil things, stay tuned. If not, totally understand. I got you. It's fine. This is the diffuser that I got for this salon. And if you've never used a diffuser, you just put water in it, and you know, you can add flavors of your essential oils, so you just get a really nice smell. And then you also get the benefits of the essential oils in the air, so you can breathe them in. It supports your body in all sorts of ways. Bottom line, it smells good, and I run a salon and I want it to smell good, right? So there we go. So just cute. You plug it in and you put it on, and there's a light in this. It's just cute. So I did not know what that looked like. I don't know what I just dropped. And then what else did I get? So this is the Savvy Minerals Beauty School Beauty Essentials Kit. And I just ordered this from their website. I think this was maybe a starter kit or a holiday. This might be the holiday thing, actually. I'm not sure. I order stuff and I just don't really know exactly what I'm getting. But it comes in a cute little bag. So this has their essential things. Orange Blossom Facial Wash, Satin Facial Scrub, Intensive Moisturizer, lipstick, and Christmas Spirit. Oh, which is actually, oh, this is cool. Oh, cute, I have samples. Oh, I can give away samples. Okay, that's cute. So Christmas Spirit is actually an essential oil blend, which is perfect for this time of the year. Hi there. I know, right? So this, they have a new beauty bag with each changing season. And okay, so winter is January through March, spring, April through June, summer is July through September, fall is October through December. So it's just, I wasn't sure what I was getting, but these are samples. And yeah, so if you want to try one of these, I'm probably going to try one of each of these and see how it works. And if you want to try it, I have a few here. So just ask me if you want one. I'll have them at the salon. All right, that's perfect. Yay! Okay, so now that you've heard my little spiel, what's this? What else did I order? Ooh, I got a lemon oil. Perfect. So good. This is really good for like creating refreshment, and it's very detoxifying. A lot of people put it in their water every day. Also, if you can actually add essential oils into stainless steel or glass containers. You do not want to use plastic or styrofoam or paper cups, because it can cause like toxins to leach into your water, because it's just very anti-toxifying, detoxifying, all that kind of stuff. I'm talking about stuff, I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. But yeah, glass or stainless steel. Do not use plastic straws if you're drinking it, but this is really good. You can just put a drop or two in your water or tea, and it's just very cleansing for your system. That's amazing. I'm super stoked about that. Yeah, so guys, if you have any questions about anything, like I said, I'm open to learning. I'm a learning junkie, and I've just been really feeling good lately, so I'm excited. My girlfriend yesterday, she was like, I said something about, we were talking about contouring. Christina, we were talking about contouring. And she was going to share contouring tips with a girl at her church. And I was like, oh no, I don't tell anyone how to do this. Because we were talking about, you do it under your chin. I'm like, yeah, no, I don't tell anyone that. I keep all my good secrets to myself. She's like, yeah, totally. I walked in on you doing the video where you're telling everyone about how lavender oil helped your burn heal in like one day. I was like, I know, I'm just kidding. I like to share all my information. Nothing is a secret. If you want to know anything, I'm your girl. Like, I will tell you whatever I know. And so let me know if you want to know anything. Beauty tutorials, hair, skin, makeup, anything. Just let me know. So also, I think I'm going to do a poll to see what you guys want to ask for a Q&A. So I've never done that before. I've talked about it, but no one ever responds to my videos. No one ever writes little comments, which is why I feel completely good that I can talk about whatever I want, because I know no one's listening. Just kidding. I know you are listening. So I'm going to actually do a poll, I think, on my story so that we can get some questions and I can do a Q&A for you guys on whatever you want to know about. All right, so I'm here to do some hair, obviously, at the salon. That's what I do. And so I'm getting ready for my next client. I'm gonna put this stuff away, plug in my diffuser, and then drink my drink. You drink this an hour before or after a meal. So it's time for my drink. Click the link in my bio if you're ready for your consultation for natural beaded rose hair extensions. And easy peasy, you can come hang out with me and we'll have a great time. All right guys, thanks for watching and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.